Hello everyone, and welcome to our series on facilitation using the Corporate Garage-In-A-Box made by the ISS Corporate Garage in Copenhagen. I'm Mads, and I will introduce a couple of videos for you. Our ambition is to help you become a great facilitator. Great facilitators facilitate workshops. Workshops take groups of people from A to B to create new insights and actionable innovation steps. And we have three types of tools that we use in the Corporate Garage that we've put into the box and we want to share with you. One kind of tool is about opening up, getting a point of view, empathizing with the users. One set of tools is about getting lots of ideas, and a third set of tools is about closing in and defining what actions to take. Of course, when you do all that, you need to keep time, so you will also get a time timer to make sure you make it in time for the closure of your workshops. And all this can obviously sound daunting. Luckily, we have put it all into a map that is included in your Garage-In-A-Box, which will lead you to all the concrete tools that we have put in for you. So check out the other videos and let us know if you want to engage. Good luck.